What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best steamed fish recipe ever. Alright, so first you want to score your fish. Flip it over and repeat the same step. And we're going to do the same thing for this one. Flip it over again. Slice it. Alright, and now we're going to combine all our seasoning and then season our fish. Alright, my fish is already clean, you know, with some vinegar and lime and all that good stuff. So it's nice and clean, nice and proper. Alright, so hold on a second while I add my seasoning. So these are the seasoning that I'll be using for today's recipe, guys. I have some complete seasoning. I'm gonna add a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. I have some Maggi season up, fish seasoning. Add about a tablespoon same way, just like that. I have some Szechuan seasoning. It's about a teaspoon, a little bit over a teaspoon. Add that in. And I have some black pepper. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of black pepper same way. And then we're gonna mix it up. Make sure it's nicely blended. And then we're just gonna season up the fish real quick. Yeah man, just like that. Yes guys, so you just wanna season up the inside of the fish. I like when my fish is well seasoned, you know? Yeah. We don't like that bland stuff. Rub it in, just like that. Yeah, man. Season between the cuts. Add some more seasoning to the inside of the fish. Well seasoned. Rub it. Alright, so now we're gonna add some chiffon butter. Alright? The good old chiffon butter, we're gonna add that right inside the belly of the fish. And then we're gonna stuff it with some callaloo. Alright? Alright, so we're gonna stuff, like I said, add some butter to the inside, and then we're gonna rub it in. About a tablespoon. It's gonna add a nice flavor to the fish. Yeah man, press it out just like that. See? Yeah. And then we're gonna add the callaloo to the inside same way. Stuff it just like that. Just like that, guys. Alright, so now we're going to add some other veggies to the pot and steam it down a little bit, and then we add the fish right after that. Alright, we're not going to add the fish just yet because we have some pumpkin, we have some carrot, tomato, and we want to make sure the pumpkin is nice and soft. Alright, so first thing first, guys, you want to add some oil. I add a drizzle of olive oil, and then you want to add your veggies. Alright, so I have some carrot, some pumpkin, tomato, habanero pepper or scotch bonnet pepper, any type of hot pepper you have home, add it to this recipe. I have some garlic, fresh garlic, and some thyme. Alright, so we're going to drop it right in. Alright, so once you start to hear that sizzle, guys, go ahead and stir it up. And then we're going to add some okra. Alright, we're going to add our okra to it. Drop it in. Stir it up same way. And after everything becomes caramelized, we're going to add some water. About 3 cups of hot water we're going to add to it, alright? Yeah, man. It's looking nice and colorful right now. Yeah, man, smelling good. So we're just gonna let it cook for a few more minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and then we're gonna add some water to it. Add your water. Like I said, you wanna add about 3 cups of water. Then we're gonna add some coconut milk, about a half cup of coconut milk. Stir it up. Add a little bit of pimento berries. Stir it up same way. And then we're gonna add some ketchup. Some Scotch bonnet ketchup. Yeah man, shake it up a little bit. Add it in. It's gonna add a nice flavor to it, you know? Nice tomato flavor. Yeah man, just like that. Stir it up same way. And then we're gonna drop in the snapper them right away. Yeah man, and make it steam down, you know? Right now my stove is at a high heat right now. But eventually we're gonna turn it down to about a medium high heat and make it go and simmer, you know? Yeah man. Like I said, drop it in. Just like that. Make them go and swim. Yeah man. See it there? And then we're gonna drop in some callaloo same way. Some extra callaloo. Cause we're not eat no rice or no dumpling with it today. We'll just go eat it just like that. 1 pot. Everything in one. Steamed callaloo. Stuff up in the fish belly. Yeah, so that is it. Just let it go and cook. This is gonna be so good. We're going to cover this, guys, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, alright? Yes, guys, so we're at the end of the video. We're about to do a quick taste test. I'm gonna let you know how everything turned out and you know if it's good or not. I already know it tastes good already still, but you know, I'm gonna let y'all know. So, ooh, steamy. Cool it down a little bit. Wow, you know the callaloo, well seasoned, you know, nice and proper. Taste beside the fish. See there? Finger licking good, not even KFC tastes so good. Yeah man. Wow. So good, guys, amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace. Oh my god, it's so good. So good, guys. Woo!